Hey tech fans, ever thought about how India is becoming a major player in the world of computer chips? Let's explore the exciting future of semiconductors in India. With technology growing super fast in areas like phones, cars, and electronics, the need for computer chips is exploding. And guess what? India is getting ready to meet that need in a big way. The Indian government is like a coach leading the team, with programs like the National Policy on Electronics and the India Semiconductor Mission. They're working hard to make India a top producer of semiconductors. Think of it like this. They're providing money, building strong foundations, and training people to become chip experts. Companies like Tata Group are leading the way. They're investing tons of money in factories across Assam and Gujarat to build, test, and even create these chips. This means more chips for everything from electric cars to super smart computers. And it's not just Tata. Big companies like Vedanta, Intel, and TSMC are also joining in, thanks to the government's encouragement. It's a huge team effort that's building a strong base for India's chip industry. Of course, there are challenges. Building high-tech factories and getting a steady supply of materials isn't easy. But with smart investments and teamwork with other countries, these problems can be solved. Looking ahead, the semiconductor industry in India is going to be huge for the economy, creating lots of jobs and leading to new inventions. By 2030, the market is expected to be worth a massive $109 billion and create about 600,000 jobs. So, keep an eye on India. With the right steps, it's going to become a global leader in semiconductors, shaping the future of technology. Thanks for watching. If you like learning about India's semiconductor plans, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech videos. See you next time.